Hi my peeps, today I'm gonna show you how I made barbecue fried chicken. This recipe is a delicious recipe and I hope you guys enjoy it. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some fried barbecue chicken. So here I have some leg and thigh in this bowl, and I also have some seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoonful. You have paprika, 1 teaspoonful. You have onion powder, 1 teaspoonful. You have chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoonful. You have garlic powder, 1 teaspoonful. You have everyday seasoning, 1 teaspoonful. And you also have black pepper, 1 teaspoonful. And just a pinch of salt. So first I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning. You're just gonna pour it all over your chicken. Just take your hand and just massage it. Just make sure all your chicken is all seasoning. So my chicken has finished seasoning and this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna marinate it. You can always marinate your chicken if you want to. And you're also gonna need some plain flour. So this is my plain flour, and I also had some cornmeal to my plain flour because it's gonna make the chicken be crunchy. So that's why I'm adding it. And here I have 2 eggs, 2 beat up eggs. And in this container I have 1 spoonful of all-purpose seasoning and 1 spoonful of chicken seasoning. And I'm just gonna pour it all over my mix. You just mix it all around. So as you can see, I got my egg there, I've got my chicken, and I also have my flour mix. So I'm just gonna take my chicken and just transform it to the eggs. And to the flour, like so. And I'm just gonna do this back and forth. So this is what my chickens look like after I finish coat it. So now I'm gonna fry it. So here I have a pot on the stove, and I also add some vegetable oil to my pot. So my oil is hot, so now I'm gonna add my chicken. Just make sure your oil is hot enough, and make sure you put enough oil in there also so your chicken will fry properly. So I'm just gonna allow them to fry for at least 5 minutes on each side. So it's been 5 minutes and now I'm gonna turn my chicken. Nice and golden. So my fried chicken has finished fried, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and golden, and this is exactly how I want it. So now I'm gonna remove it now. So now I'm gonna make my barbecue sauce. So I'm using HP classic barbecue sauce. You can use whatever you have. And I'm also gonna use some ketchup with it also. So I'm gonna add my barbecue sauce to my pot. And some ketchup. Some black pepper. Just a tiny bit of water. And I'm gonna also add some brown sugar. And you're just gonna leave it for at least a minute, guys. So my sauce has finished, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna dip my fried chicken in my sauce, because I'm gonna put it in my oven just to bake for at least 5 minutes. Looking so yummy, guys. This looks so delicious. So this is what it looks like on the tray. So now I'm gonna put it in my oven for 5 minutes and 150 degrees. Hi guys, so I just removed my barbecue fried chicken from the oven, and this is what it looks like. It's looking so yummy and so delicious. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So this is how my barbecue chickens look like on the plate. It's looking so yummy. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time. Bye.